good to see you. Let's show you our snack and drinks vending machine here. This is our big glass window and customer can see the all items here, and you can put some snacks, drinks, makeup items, and whatever you want inside. There is a big capacity and with 60 space. Here is our touch screen, and you can see this touch screen is 21.5 inch. And you can put your advertisement here. And here is our payment methods. The payment methods could be customized. Here is the cash acceptor, credit card reader, and coin acceptor. And you can get your change here at the change port. Okay, this is our advertisement, so click it. You can shop one by one. If you just want items, just choose buy now and use card payment. Okay, next, if you want to shop more than one items, choose back and put the items you want into shopping cart. Okay, open your shopping cart and you can see 2 items. Just choose pay, card payment.
Please present your card or your mobile phone.
Okay, swipe your card. Okay, the machine is dispensing now, just wait a moment. Okay, approve it, and you can see the items dispensing. Okay, choose your items inside the pickup port. First, raise it up and put it up. Put the items inside. Okay, push it back.